Okay, today we're going to talk about shoe cleaning. So we have a shoe cleaning work in the classroom. It has a mat for the shoe, and it has a basket and a brush to scrub the shoe with. So these shoes would go here, and you scrub all the dirt off. So that's a basic shoe cleaning work. This one is particularly for Crocs, so it has a small bowl and a container of soapy water. They can pour the soapy water in, put the shoe on the mark, and clean it with the brush. And then dry it with a hand towel. And both of these works can be done at home with a variety of things. Depends on what you have. This is a basic cleaning brush from Target. You just want something small enough that the child can hold it in their hands. This is for shoe polishing. This one is for nails. This is another one for shoe polishing. Just depends on what you have. You don't need necessarily a mat. It's nice to have something to lay down. You can use a bit of wax paper or some cling wrap, or you can use a plastic placemat, excuse me. And just someplace for the child to clean it. It can be done inside or outside. It can be done with all sorts of different shoes. Rain boots are wonderful to clean with soap and water, and a nice bucket to put the water and soap in. And you can do it on the back step. You can do it with sneakers. You can do it with all sorts of different kinds of shoes. So I hope that's helpful. Thank you.